What's up everyone, welcome back to another video, and this video I'm going to talk about how to fix the Steam store is not loading or working and how we can fix this app. So let me directly get into the step. So the step is all about whenever you get into the Steam, whenever you're trying to open the Steam and be getting a black screen. If that is the case, just follow these instructions. So the first one is all about we just need to go over to the Steam top, click on the Steam, directly navigate to the settings. Now from here go to downloads, scroll down and navigate to clear download cache, and if you find this, click on this one. So it is going to ask you to clear the download cache, and also it will be doing a restart for the Steam, which means you have to sign in back to Steam once again. So once you're done with this one, most probably you have to check whether you're going through these kind of issue. Still, if you're having the trouble, we need to move to the next step. Next step is all about find the Steam on the desktop, and if you find the Steam on the desktop, right click on the Steam, and what we need to do is we just need to run as administrator, and you have to check with the Steam whether the issue is solved. Most probably after running it as an administrator, the issue regarding this will be fixed in the most cases. Still, if you're having the trouble, what we need to do is we just need to go over here. We have to launch the Steam in the big picture mode. So just go over here at the top, you can see there is an icon like this, enter big picture mode, click on this one, so that you will be getting into the big picture mode like this. Now you can launch or navigate to the game from the Steam, and you can play the game that will be fixing the issue up. And if you wanted to exit the Steam, all you have to do is just go over here and click on the Steam, go to the power and go for exit big picture mode, and you have to check. Still, if you're having the trouble, we need to move to the next one. That is all about what we need to do. So you just need to close the Steam if Steam is open. So just go over here, search for the settings, click on the settings right now, go for the apps, go to the installed app, just search here for the Steam, and what we need to do is just go for the Steam, click on three dot menu and go for uninstall it. And once the uninstall is done, you have to reinstall it back, and most probably that's going to help you guys out. So these are the steps, and I hope this video is helpful. And if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for more notification. See you soon in the next video. Peace out. Bye bye.